House.
Tom Collins.
Thank you, Madam Deputy Speaker. I have been campaigning on modern slavery for over 20 years. Back when I started, most modern slavery in the UK was sexual exploitation. Let me be clear, that is of girls. And I put myself in the shoes of a parent whose child is in another country and suffering unimaginable abuse and exploitation. And I realised that I would pray every night for someone in that country not to rest until they were rescued. I realised I had to be that person in this country. And I brought that sentiment with me to Parliament. The government has done some taken some good steps on tackling modern slavery, actually breaking down the criminal gangs and international organised networks behind small boats, starting to open up more safe and legal routes, and clearing the operational backlog of immigration cases are good. But diminishing consideration of cases because they don't disclose straight away or because they carried out criminal activity goes against the very, very basic, fundamental modern slavery 101 principles of how we tackle it. Recognising who is a victim and who is a perpetrator, and recognising the effects of trauma were great accomplishments of the Modern Slavery Act. And I fear there is a risk now that we start to see tackling illegal immigration and tackling modern slavery as being in conflict or in tension when in fact they are entirely aligned. The Secretary of State raised some powerful examples, but those are examples of decision-making that was clearly bureaucratic and detached, lacking professional judgment. And I echo the comments made by a member opposite that disclosure does not automatically mean a referral under the national referral mechanism. We should be fixing those operational problems. We should be fixing that system rather than hoping that changing the law is suddenly going to result in it making better decisions. And in fact, I would say that going and deploying that right the way down to policing as well and our multi-agency response to modern slavery in local areas is a job still to be done even since we introduced the Modern Slavery Act. Yeah. But we should not be going backwards. We should be surging and pushing forwards to eradicate modern slavery in the UK. And if we were to do that, we would find much of what concerns our communities about illegal immigration would have been solved. We must tackle modern slavery head on. We must strengthen our systems that are failing at an operational level in their design and decision-making, their implementation, and bringing good governance. And for that reason, I really welcome further discussions with the government following today to improve this bill.